Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice, Darrow Natural Mineral Water.
Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. 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 Ne bosso, aha ne bosso. Wadding, ne bosso. Konya, what up? Mumbeti, boy say ya di be na di ye baby. Ye fan kwampa hwe agenti ye mu de no. Mfa me nyam ponsa na dog in the one piece no. Mfi say Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso,
what I Gihok band, special band, Gihok Distillery band. What you see, I make come to Gihok come out with you. Now me can say one more to help Africa. One more soon a custom bridge you over there, and a mandingo. And you took out Gihok with you. Now open the 3 musketeers, help Africa, mandingo, and then also custom bridge. I was your former after yesterday. Now you're the Fufu 2026. I want a camping range right here, Gloryland Chop Bar. I heard I say, I'm afraid. You put the friend of Fantifu said, too easy. The show only baby, I already have appetite. About the Fufu and I said, quite me and India. Appetizing. And to the end, simple. You're running promo, have 2 shots. Or 2 sachets of Help Afrique. Over 1 additional sachet for free. What in common I say? A cost of Papa. Now, I said that here is a band way. It's no more Cosisola. I don't think I say. And I am quite Makumaku 23. You were Reverend Kwamo. You were okay, on Katikao. And you won't make one. The people say back one so. And you want a canteen coin. You want fish, you reverence so. And why not be a baby? Half of one so. Because promotion here simple. Gloryland is management is send a muscle 2025. Almost started with all of you right here. Your presence means a lot to them, Montino. One more fact. 50% discount on the Fufuo.
Konya, what up? Mumbeti, boy say ya di be na di ye baby. Ye fan kwampa hwe agenti ye mu de no. Mfa me nyam ponsa na dog in the one piece no. Mfi say Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom.
I'm sure for where I have Fufu Fest 2026. Medical culture said I to crown season 1 of Fufuo Wo Krom. Now, I have Gloryland Chop Bar. Here I say, Jack, I started with you about 8 o'clock. Kwa Tabusa, Castle Funa Castle Sane, Homo Dino Morinam, Egusua, is there any beautiful ladies, any swag gentlemen, you know. Nobody there, we're all right. But I'm going to say, at the end so we want to talk to them and let us tell us why they are still here, why they decided to climb here to enjoy themselves on this day. Miriam, I'm more heavy. My Mr. Timfia, where are medium one? Where are we dealing with here? Aba, now what's your beautiful name? We didn't say.
Mini Shoddy Hills.
What's say?
Shoddy Hills.
Shoddy Hills. Shoddy Hills.
Shoddy Hills.
Ah, Shoddy. Fantastic, Shoddy Hills. And I know so they say. Akosia Cyrus. Fantastic. Beautiful. And then a special day Fufu Festival. Mami Musa, and then my first time one. Modidi was right now, my bada.
And then your first time, you're there, Tababa. Was the one. Oh, your fucker, your driving there.
Mama
was a $100 before.
And then
1 in a million.
1 in a million. My mayor, Majia, 2 Nessa, Mamma, quiet day there. Nice at the pa. Now, and now by the end, I'm with you, Fufuo.
the fufu, the chicken kakra, tilapia kakra, salmon, ponche.
Now just say, Mudi Boma no be a dinner there.
Oh, you did it
2222. Enti moya ne anam no futum France.
Fufu France.
That's a moya ni zoo.
Sir.
O tre nem bia bi wom. Okay. What Philippa? Nana nkwan emuye.
Papa, ebuta ho.
Fantastic. And then so no more running promo. Discount akamo. Fantastic. Fantastic. So Shoddy Hills.
Yeah.
And that's Susie Dia.
Akosia Cyrus.
Akosia Cyrus. Mo ho fa na mo ni na mu odu. I was here now. Also first time how did you and what did you have on the team no?
Oh, yes, Aba.
Motaba. Now why not tell how we discover her for the first time? What did you how many years in it? And a month?
3 years. Oh, 3 years.
About 3 years. Why they discover her more started to cruise by?
And you're not Shoddy Hills.
And Shoddy Hills, see? Shoddy Hills, I said, on them no here. I didn't be a Rambia. I didn't hear me out. What's in Pampa? Fantastic.
Start your day with a taste that brings everyone together. Abiba Thai jasmine rice, perfect for every moment.
Taste of togetherness. Abiba Thai jasmine rice.
Mom and Dad, this rice
smells like celebration.
Abiba Thai jasmine rice.
Hey, Daddy!
You know me, ladies, gentlemen, enjoy Abiba Thai jasmine rice.
Mr. Pia, what dies in Kappa the Shinkafan?
Abiba Thai jasmine sawar. Bow, what me die?
Whether it's a family dinner, a business
For Abiba jasmine Thai rice, c'est perfecto.
our celebration, Abiba jasmine rice elevates every meal. Abiba jasmine rice, the taste of togetherness.
Yo, me pesa me chia ma do fufu nyina. I am sure the hills na make asano. Me invite cartoon. And it's ho ana tuga mu nyina mo bra Gloryland Pop and Grow. I want our trust na mo be didi. Na I the best.
Solid. Oba, why not be challenge 2026 here and I will come to be a challenge?
Yo, me ma do fufu nyina afishia fa. Mabusia ana mikuo ba ko drama koma so Love Arena S8 mo bia afishia fa ya mo medidi wate aha ya Gloryland Grow and Pop omo obi bia bi benku enkwan bia ennam bia
say did you Gloryland choba sesano Gloryland choba sesano
and you send me braka no Gloryland choba bedidi.
Okay, me wish 2026 me wish me bra official pa na o akwantum so ba me de never Gloryland I'm an abedidi am na hu say I the best any me kuma me wish no say ono so better have second time you know as abedidi bio.
Fantastic. Brother Lavaka.
Oh, Ukraine. Me chia la kota mo na musipa fo yina. Best one say Gloryland there the best. On to scam. Ukraine oba. Oda ba asam finish kan.
And still we are right here at Gloryland Choba where I say Fufu Fest 2026. We started in the morning 8 a.m. and we are running to exactly 6 p.m. It's been nice, it's been wonderful, it's been superb. Great people, beautiful ladies, beautiful gentlemen, well organized, well cultured. We are getting connected. You see, the beauty is come here, talk to somebody, exchange business ideas, exchange contact. You never go around. Patrons, and still, I became a food marshal. What do you say? Right, Abu Shafwa, we are still right here. I hear I say Gloryland. Fufu Fest 2026. And Koso, we started from 8 a.m. We're running to 6 p.m. We are still here. We have Ghanaian Distillery Band playing for us. We're going around engaging the patrons. I have some handsome men right here, some beautiful ladies. Let me talk to my brother, bro. What did they say?
Yeah, from Mo,
you're heavy. Mo, Mami Musa, we are not out here about program.
Oh, program here who fly, I know.
Our social media.
Right.
And I remember I say, oh, as New Year, they made a New Year, I say.
Wow.
And one time I have it now.
Now when I'm first time,
the first time I have it, Charlie,
team no be about first time.
Team first time. No be our first time.
Who for Accra time and
Accra, La Paz.
Wow, solid.
La Paz, ne Medina.
Great. Now, Mr. Amo, what has been your assessment so far when you came, what you see, and you tasting the food, what you have done out of the cafe?
Charlie, if I'm rating over 10, I'm going to say to my best 9.
Solid.
That's why petty is the best. But I didn't hear, forget it.
Solid.
Check. I want a free woman. We grandpa, a quite proud with a board as I want to. I must say to
you. Show says here. What are you going to tell the person? Soccer baby,
Chalo baby, the answer the best place. The environment, serene environment, Charlie calmness, nice music, Charlie Mashal. This is the right place to come.
Aha, of our Daruma, where you are over 70 miles, Kakram. Of our Mr. Udiaka, they say.
Within the Kobna Abeka, if Central Region, Aguna Isama.
Of our Kobna, Mr. the Kobna. Oh, from Nadia, not many of them, you know, fantastic. Now, I am there, no one be more, should I say, our first time, and I'll tell you when he said, it's going to be say,
oh, fine. Baby, I may be a CA, a year, me back, Kwame Valentine, Bufri, I should say. Nesan Juma Pa, Orienti, in a Ama, maybe somebody in the Tia, maybe Piha, I had in the dinner, Obia, a TSA. I was a young who said, a benefici of Fubiapano, and a piano. And you know, a man footie, Namia who said, at the part I will fear, yeah. And you know, they were Ashrasia, Abeka, or therefore Skinny, Mushamo TV, come Valentine, the women at me way. Ebe pia he ebe na obi nim oye duane ensa se upe fufu papa loka a ye wo a enye se ye nyamo a in fact ya mianim ni kurani se wu ni yiri pa na se wo ba ha na se wo bedidi a wan hwedi ya ha la intini mumbra hwase ha ya mia ya adum na afi edu obreki ani emponi o enti mumra asomdwe wo ha bebrebe yedem wo se odumfo a ya besi 2026 ya mi ya adom a ebe biem kesikura sisi.
That's right.
Enti aha ya asomdwe efie ni fie mumanya ni ye Ghana eduane enye eduane a tese ento asum we dey local enkwane kwa 23 different even though upe China nkwankura ubenya na hazuri ya loka nkwa kama how problem bienim
upe na ona anani abushane
mene yere ani me ena nanum
Start your day with a taste that brings everyone together. Abiba Thai jasmine rice, perfect for every moment.
Taste of togetherness. Abiba Thai jasmine rice.
Mom and Dad, this rice
smells like celebration.
Abiba Thai jasmine rice.
Hey, Daddy.
Abiba jasmine rice, the taste of togetherness.
Right, Abusia Fontin, I'm so excited today. I told you, sir, we came, we saw and we conquered. What's your say? It has been a wonderful day since morning. 8 a.m. we started. We're zooming in, we've journeying on to 6 p.m. right now. We're still having fun. We're your Fufu Fest, first of its kind Equiapim range. What's your say? Brought to you by Fufuo Wo Krom, Waha, supported by Ghanaian Distilleries, Herb Freak. One more distilling on the bar. The Three Musketeers, Herb Freak, Castle Bridge, and then also what we call Mandingo. Now I'm excited because I have a surprise today, all the way from Accra. We're strong and big men. I'm about to support the family. They are right here. Let me go there and talk to them. Aha, that's the great Mr. Otu, who is the CEO of Wegel's Lunch. Wegel's Lunch there, one of the beautiful places Okwa Accra, Ebani Nyane, Ebani so baby ajuani, omo live band session, omo girls corner, omo but they back where they omo say almost our night club. No more and omo girls they super. You are right here, Mbesa me busa, yeti I see you all the way. Gidi on your family number. Now my twine was through. This is the great man himself. German General, on Bekasa every better on Bekasa. Mama Jo, let's go to official pa.
Have a bad comment here.
With himself here, your boss power. Girls, back to back from 24th, playing artists from Akateche, Samuel Owusu, Kofinti, KK Fosu, Adani Bez, those your boss are at your basic second. Girls are changing of when back to back. Now, you can't see a fufu first, now so back to I was so. Now we saw the agro. Surprisingly, Wabaha, Nabahano, who was saying?
It's a food marshal there. They have it to sort of
that's right.
Festival. I mean, your fufu, the festival, why it's beyond everything that we can think about.
That's right.
And we are grateful. So my about it.
Thank you.
Yeah, can you say? That's right.
Yeah, that's right. Now, the first time I did you was already Ireland.
My first time I'm about it.
So, who did one casa, we are owner of the place. Who did testing it to say you feel quite more. Members who are quite.
So back to I know when they are there. Now I'm out. At the end of the year, I mean the best that you can have. So homemade foods would never be great.
That's right.
This Wabaha.
That's right.
It's Loyland there. I mean, their food is the best.
You see, from just short one. If you want to wish some people Happy New Year or something, Michelle, this opportunity, look into my camera and say something to them and wish them.
Thank you. First and foremost, my name is Madame Rose.
Madame Rose.
Sami. And Ajwa. That's some big job, man. You better hear the FSC. Then you die customers in Accra and beyond. Those from abroad are my back. Wiggles Christmas in the and that what you know. Now the bros so they are wide. Those couples.
Yes.
The host of it.
It's a big brother and then the CEO of Wiggles Lunch, or a very big man. Down to earth, he said, I'll come and give you support. And lo and behold, he's been here with a big family. Let me go to my sweet sister and engage here. Say hello to somebody just briefly. What you just saying? Sister Ajua, this way there. Ajua. Now it's what come back for time, but let's meet my body say number we. Wait to me. Michelle, first time I fro Barbedu a crapping range. I did you honey.
Oh, maybe a cropon, but I had my first time.
First time. What about the kakra?
I'm a fufu.
And I had to say,
yeah, local
protein burn out the
goat meat.
Goat meat.
Upon
Jinunya and the shore.
Oh, there be.
Oh, I don't want on the shore.
Well, mamma, unfortunately.
Oh,
I wish.
Now,
one farmer.
And no more is ever last one. And also, they've been to me.
And I'm a
nice. So, thank you for coming and then for your support. We are so excited to have all of you here. At the end, I'll be to me. I shall be coming and I control my trains this year.
Oh, the American say, a higher nice. Bibia Koyi, a local. The beyond orange, you know. I wish that you will come and taste it.
That's right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Do you want to say hello with somebody, a friend, or family member, somebody? Happy New Year.
Yeah, me wish it will be
great.
Everyone.
Great.
Happy New
Year. Abusafo, Yagusua, and to where Fufu Fest 2026. Away any idea shots here. Mamene, the Don and Capo Bakun Kasawa. Union body say, but here we are. My money problem because, oh no. And I'm sure I registered him. No, Ni bank makuma 32 number we no didn't register him. Mr. Jack, would you answer the same?
Media answer the Sam.
Sam, now who register me? We didn't need about the Association of Ghana. You remember form?
Mate, baby form. No, we can't be. Mate,
we are branch. We are go now. So, Mama me Philip.
Was a hide.
Yes. You did time one crying. You say you're frustrated. Now frustrated, and I was saying.
Normally, through her. The first time I encountered the weather.
That's right.
However, exceptional. Crazy.
So beautiful and lovely.
Beautiful. When I did a phone book or what is it? From top of there, the weather is the first thing you encounter, and you love it.
Now, before we break, I said we in Sakura. Who said I saw air condition move. You say we.
Take again.
Them was standing now, call hitting the man. I was waiting for that.
What's standing for? That's
right.
What an answer.
That's right.
What an answer.
That's right.
From how weather look, Charlie. Oh dear, your best.
To 1 hour time, they told them some goofy the hustles of Accra. No, I'm back experiencing fog. The
very true.
What you say?
Very true. Very true.
Now by now, did
now can be fufu you, but Charlie fufu the pressure go fufu so they joke. Me nyam kwan bi no me ya. Me nya ponche na me nya tilapia na me nya salmon.
Na san kwan o jizu.
Oh, what's that? Me jina we dey abezu.
We're heavy. We're heavy. My down. My sister not told Jenna and over your friend say.
A friend Madame Rose.
Madame Rose. Madame Rosie. Rosie baby. The cow say Rosie baby. We are my Jimmy too. Come okay. Auntie Rose.
Yes,
thank you for coming.
Thank you too for having us.
Great. So now Madame Rose and now we feel the first row best supporting.
Krokesi mu. Na yedu ayatna krokesi mu ache. Na nne me boss say yam froso na emrambe appreciate whatever thing that you are doing here. Anything here now. Yeah, that's a baby. Yes, you feel rough.
I cherish it.
Yes.
I don't take it for granted.
Yes, you feel.
I'm going to haglet it. Look, I'm man who warfare. No, my man is so chairman now. My chairman don't know heavy did that. What you say?
Chairman of all chairmen.
Chairman of chairmen.
King of kings.
That's right. Now, Uba, what did he hook on?
Me pacho me did baby.
What did he in the brain?
If you have been fufu, body as a woman.
That's right.
Me de aponche. Me de oche. Me de akrantie. Yeah, the wine make say koye papa. The one thing that me say. Nia Emma me feel baby ni say mint spice.
That's right.
If you nkwan.
That's right.
Ginger, garlic, onion, and any ameti.
That's right. When you be I'm saying for anything we came, we saw, we've conquered. Just as we've promised, we have delivered. What you say? We're here Fufu Fest 2026, and here Ashira say Fufuo Junction, and here Gloryland Chopper. We started all the season 1 right here, and we told you, at the end of the season 1, or each season, the Fufu Festival. This is the new year 2026, and Gloryland Chopper, Apostle, Nipani Gusua, Asida Kasia, and Koma Ghanaian Distilleries, and the Ghanaian Band for supporting, and then Gloryland Chopper for teaming up to ensure, say, you're sorting Ghana for out. Almost every region. The same many owner Nankasa, Kwame Valentine Nankasa. Kwame.
Yes, sir.
And then many Japan, about who.
Miss Maniachi, Papa.
From Ashasia preparation, back to back, media work, media preparation, and almost 70 Papa, Nipa Swap Asani, close to 2005. Almost Sunday, Kasi, Bakasiko, I come. Now, who person who can Sabri. Benjamin, the Peppers.
Okay. Yedi Kano, Yadi Asadabama, Okedi Aponya Copon. Na Yadi Asada so Ako Ama. Your customers are able to do a ha. Na Niabetima catch on you say, Mima Bibia Afrishiapa. I think call Emesana, I think it's every Nanya to Obia Sem, Nania Obia Crown and the Coma Precision, Nan Saka. Niamekan say, Yasha say, I think Danny Denina, Yaya Juma, Yantua Jumam. By your customers, Gloryland, a chassis flower pot. When you hear my Debia or about every do a hand say. Tinabeka said, down I see. As I say, Yaya program, Yasha see a bed 1 month near to 2 near my nene. na expect crash nipa say baba nipa ba papa nipa ba because aduane an expect say be ya nua broso e nipa ba ya 7 crop also papa
na so ma ya kwan bia be 5 times ebi corner di bia ba mo di bia begum e say fufuo no so mpu kira mo na so anya machine fufuo wa no mu gusu won kofo ba na eba band ne gusu bo amanfo ani anchi and almost see ebi nko na ebi sai mrabio na sani ya chateau na so hwe wo ma ababeka fufu fest 2026 you know come next year 2027 1st January there week you know na ya sani ya sheshe so
saba pepe yes I ngati just da bia kra no e be sa akosoro aka ho na me aduma 2027 1st January na kata na san e bo ha say pepe se de ye na na say ya de no kra ya ma discount wo mebre
na me pese kusa na kwafo bebre ni age e dey na ba ya di padom nyina mo se da bi ye dey bo kakra still mo be say am a discount 50% na say customer bia auto so bi to 20 cedis travel for 20 mo be to 10 cedis auto 50 o be to 25 auto 60 o be to 30 cedis mo fa discount na we say Heba Africa for so running o thought Heba Africa sachet mienu the chow back for free.
Yes.
Top beer, bottles beer, no sir. The mini back can.
Sapa pepe.
Cost I'm a customer. Again, you buy house there. Being your friendship customers,
no. Granny says, "Na me buona ubu adwuma." Na ade ayaka granny aduane ye. Say we aduane si won ani pa ma meto a me ka kire on say and to say be a provision store na bibia tisa. What you say? But near my baby team say, "Ye ni na yen customers bad de bia bedidi." Emma won come to wanyam ti ye ni am so no e say dey some 50% discount e do to for 60 cedis a utua 30 anu kra chi ni kra ye won nam bi wo hon ma ye san dey den e da hye e ka ma na me ka kra chi na ye kakra ni say yen customers pa wa shada ba regular ni pa na kra wan ma but na me aduma edu bia ade tia wotumu ba yetumu ye won fine but I say no ya che nam papa ya che duane so papa ya che nam papa yes ya che nam papa na ya de ya be yeso da bia afi bia ya be ye betuma ya abro sonson ya be ye
abusian for sabre dia ho na mini time yours truly IBK the food marshal. We came, we saw, and we conquered. Fufu Fest 2026. I had the day. Yes, I see piano for 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. We are still running. People are still climbing the hill. People are coming from Concordia, Mafia, Cropon. They are climbing from Medina, all over. So, Bahana Castle, Bahana, Papena, mi bedini. I don't see me the energy. Munya, I'm so maintain you. Aha. What I say? I go come way fresh. I pay someone to smoke one. I go come the phone account. Yeah, 1 minute. God bless the farmer, the cooker, and the eater. Acquire wrong. Da. Upe bufwe da. And one is going on top bar. Da unya star. Da udibiesie. Na dia da no to anu. Akoko nza. We nya akoko post. We pie dia. Aba no mkuna. Akoye buka. Jamna kwa sana tena yalo. Kaka minya kwa na meto asu didi. And all too soon we have come to the end of this one. Fufu Fest 2026. Brought to you all the way from Arirase, Ghanaian Choba. Yours truly, IBK the Food Marshal, Washington Concept. Same time, same year. Next year, 1st January, first week in January, near the Atuasu. But I come to say, check it out, y'all. 2026, more Fufu festivals to come your way. Tune in every Saturday to E14 TV, 9 p.m. to 9:30 for Fufuo Wo Krom. Fufuo the baby Wo Krom, Lemon baby a boss, me and a metro.
Fufuo Wo Krom, aha ne bosso, aha ne bosso. Yema wa ponte krakra, emu de papa. In cranny bidi ya o sing on me papa. A granty and a sadoa. Upin sumunam. Ye wo me kwanga bune kati kuntu ne twie ni yakokon ye burade ye fufu ye be.
Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Ghanaian Distilleries
and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice, Darrow Natural Mineral Water.